Let me add this source. Go to none. Add in this. Once you've done that, click done. Add in the name, let's call it Fusion. Click on done. Okay. Then come out of there, and what we need to do is go to System Add-ons, install from zip file. Then we're going to go to Fusion. Click on Start here. Click on this one. And that's downloading. Once it's downloaded, let's go to Programs. Then we click on Addon Installer. Go to Video Add-ons. Video Add-ons. Scroll down to or is it under featured add-ons? Okay. Hiding under featured add-ons. Sorry about that. Click on EXODOS. Click on Install. Let's wait while it installs. There we go. Great. Done. Let's click back. Back again. Back again. Back again. Let's come out of that. Let's go to Videos. Well, let's go to Videos Add-ons. Let's click on EXODOS. This is the file the add-on that we've installed. TV shows, movies. Great add-on. Enjoy.